Alright guys, I did the research. Hate to say it. Recently comments were made by Representative Sheila whatever Jackson Lee regarding AR-15s and capabilities. I hate to say it, but she's right, guys. I was curious about the subject, so I went down to the getting spot where we all go, behind 7-Eleven. For $35, I bought probably one of the most intimidating weapons ever. It was a 50 caliber AR-15. I'll just have to show you. Alright, she was right. She weighs about as much as 10 moving boxes, 50 caliber. This doodad on the bottom, I don't know what that's about, but they say it's dangerous. Looks dangerous. So just to prove you, 50 caliber is a very commonly mistaken round. All the time gets mistaken for 300 blackout, 223, 45 ACP. 50 caliber, at least that's what the guy behind 7-Eleven told me. It's heavy. It looks bad. Weapon functionality is super easy. We'll run you through it. Alright. So you take your clip-a-zine right here. I believe they're making them for the M1 Garand too. Just cram it in here like so. Sometimes you gotta move the underslung out of the way. Yep. Which is easy. Easy my ass. Oh, we're getting somewhere, boys. The whole time you're taking fire, but don't worry, they'll miss you. Seems like it. Now, the guy was saying you got to reach up in here and there's a little thing. Oh yeah, I see the thing. Kind of work it down through here. Something's happening. Well, let's see the functionality. Yes, sir. Functioning like a dream. Yeah. It's not too functionable. She quit firing first shot. But, as you can tell, Representative Sheila Jackson Lee was totally correct. She's heavy. I'm out of breath. 4 shots out. We got to get these off the street. So, you boys just bring them over to my house. Next gun buyback comes up, I'll be sure to get them down there for you.